right, we're back with us from a small break. And B, what are you doing?
I'm gonna pick Stella. She's young, and I'm gonna pick her feet.
Okay. So what did you start doing?
So
Stella says yes.
If their feet are muddy, you should use a towel because it doesn't get on your hand. But later I'll clean that off.
Okay.
So
And we call their feet hooves, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We use it interchangeably here. Okay.
And then you face backwards this way.
Okay, towards
and
your
then you
tail.
go down the leg and pull, and then you can pick it, and then see all the mud. You're trying to get all of that mud out. And once you get it out, you'll get to the next foot and the next foot.
And can you stab around anywhere you want in there?
No. This is the frog, so you can't.
What shape is it?
It's the shape of a triangle.
So you go in at the corner of the triangle?
Yeah.
What's it called?
It's called the frog.
Good. Okay. So you get all this out, and then what'll your next step be? You do it to all 4 feet, correct?
Yep.
Is she pulling on you?
Yes. Because some horses just want to put their foot down when
Yeah.
you're picking.
Sometimes you might have to give them a rest.
Yeah.
All right. So now you're going to do the other foot?
Yeah.
Okay. So then the same thing. And then when you're done, we'll show them how we put hoof oil on.
Yeah.
Conditions the hoof. Okay.
Same thing. You go down the leg, face backward, and ask to pull their leg up.
How do you get them to, how do you ask them to pull their leg up?
You go,
Don't drop it like that.
you don't drop it, and you go from down the leg and like pull.
You squeeze at their ankle a little.
Squeeze, yeah. And then you do the same thing. Get all the mud out.
Is it easy or is it kind of hard on your back
Hard on your back.
and your arms? Because it's a big horse, right?
Yeah.
Next we'll show how you measure a horse too.
Yeah.
Do we measure in inches?
We measure in hands.
And that's just an old method, but we have, do you know how we measure her?
Yeah.
With a measuring stick?
Yeah.
But it's special because it doesn't have inches or
Yeah.
anything, it has hands on
Hands.
it. Okay, so we'll do that next.
Yeah.
So when you're done with this, you still going?
Yeah, because it's still dirty.
Okay.
So you try to get as much dirt as possible out.
Seems to me a pigtail for the person doing it would be good too.
Yeah. So you keep
She's moving around on you a little, huh?
Yeah. Until it's done.
So you should set, all that was great, except for you should set her foot down, not let it flop down like that.
I know.
Okay, awesome. Thanks. Be back with the hoof dressing and the measuring.